channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about books. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. First, we will color the background with 3 gradient stops. Right click Format Background. We choose Gradient Fill. We delete one gradient stop. And now we go to the first gradient stop. We choose Color, Eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Then we go and we set the transparency to have the result that we want. We go to the second gradient stop. We choose Color, Eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area. We set the transparency at 50%. We go to the last and third gradient stop. We choose Color, Eyedropper. And we choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area. And we set the transparency at 17%. Now we will play with the teardrop shape. We close Format Background and we will insert 4 teardrop shapes. We go to Insert Shapes. We choose from Basic Shapes, Teardrop. Click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape, Format, Size, Height. We put 19 cm and width 90 cm too. It's about 7.48 inches if you have inches in your settings. We go to Shape, Format, Shape, Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the first color from teardrops from the left side outside of the design area. Shape, Outline, no outline. Right click, copy the teardrop, right click, paste. We go to Shape, Format, Eyedropper, the second color from the teardrops from the left side outside of the design area. Shape, Outline, no outline. Right click, copy, right click, paste. We go Shape, Format, Shape, Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the third color from drops from the left side outside of the design area. We put it in the desired position. And then right click, copy, right click, paste. We want to insert our picture. We go to Insert, Pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert. Click Insert. Right click, Cut. We click the 4th teardrop that we have created. We go Format, Shape, Picture or Text to Fill. Click Clipboard. Of course, if it is necessary, we will adjust the image inside the teardrop with the crop command. Picture format, crop. We want to do the adjustments and click outside of the teardrop. Now we will add a small star, a small detail that might make a difference. We go to Insert, Shapes. We choose Star and Banners, Star 4 points. Click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape, Format, Shape, Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, and Shape, Format, Shape, Outline, Eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. and we put the star in the desired position. Now we want to insert our title. We go to Insert, we choose and click Text Box, click in the Design area, drag and release it. We choose Band Script, semi-bold, semi-colon font, size 40, color. With the eyedropper we choose the color of the text from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title, Shift apostrophe, Unveiling, the pages, the journey, to the Enchanting world of books, close apostrophe, unveiling the pages, a journey through the enchanting world of books. And now we want to insert our presenter's name. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose and click Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Band Script, semi-bold, semi-colon, 18 size, color. With eyedropper we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our presenter's name. By Martha G. Santos. Maybe with uppercase. And now it's time for animation. Before you start with animation, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. So let's get started. We go to teardrop 1, orange, entrance, animation, entrance, float in, start with previews, duration 0.50, effect options, float up as it is. We go to the teardrop 2, entrance, float in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options, float up as it is. We go to the teardrop 3, effect options, float in, entrance, float in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options, float up as it is. And the teardrop 4 with image, entrance, float in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options, float up as it is. We go to the title, entrance, wipe, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options from left. We want it, effect options from left as one object. We go to the presenter's name, entrance, wipe, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options from left as one object, and we go to the star, entrance, zoom, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options, object center as it is. And now we go at the slideshow button to see the result. Click the slideshow button, and that's it. Thank you for watching us. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!